Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to another deep dive into the fascinating world of human biology. Today we're diving into the shocking truths about human body limitations. These are the boundaries that even the most advanced science and technology can't push past. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. We're about to uncover some mind-blowing facts. First up, let's talk about strength. It's something we all admire and strive for, but there are limits. No matter how much you train, you'll never be able to lift a car with one hand. Why? It's simple physics. The human body just isn't designed to handle that kind of load. Our muscles have a limit to how much force they can generate. This is due to the structure of muscle fibers and the way they contract. Even the world's strongest people can't defy this basic rule. They can lift incredible weights, but there's always a ceiling. Next on the list is speed. Speed is another area where our bodies have clear limitations. Ever dreamed of running as fast as a cheetah? It's a common fantasy, but let's break it down. Hate to break it to you, but it's impossible. Our physiology just doesn't support that kind of velocity. Human bodies are just not built for that kind of speed. Our bones, muscles, and joints can't handle the stress. Our muscle fibers, tendons, and energy systems cap our maximum speed. Even with the best training, there's a limit. So, sorry, no super speed powers here. Now let's move on to pain tolerance. You might think you have a high tolerance for pain, but there's a limit to what your body can endure. Pain is a signal that something is wrong. Extreme pain can lead to shock or even unconsciousness. This is your body's way of protecting you from further harm. It's your body's way of saying, stop, something's not right. So as tough as you might feel, pain is a hard stop. Let's talk about oxygen. It's something we often take for granted, but it's crucial for our survival. You know, we all need it to live, but did you know there's a limit to how high we can go without supplemental oxygen? At altitudes above 8,000 meters, the air is so thin that our bodies can't get enough oxygen to survive. This is known as the death zone. That's why climbers need oxygen tanks on Mount Everest. Without them, they wouldn't make it to the summit. The human body just can't adapt to that extreme environment. It's a stark reminder of our limitations. The human body just can't adapt to that extreme environment. It's a stark reminder of our limitations. And speaking of extremes, how about temperature? Our bodies are designed to maintain a stable internal temperature. If exposed to extreme heat or cold, we can only survive for so long. Our bodies have mechanisms to cope, but they can be overwhelmed. If exposed to extreme heat or cold, we can only survive for so long. Hypothermia or hypothermia can set in, leading to life-threatening conditions. Hypothermia can set in, leading to life-threatening conditions. Our bodies are resilient, but not invincible. So no, we can't endure boiling deserts or freezing tundras indefinitely. Survival in such conditions requires preparation and protection. Finally, let's touch on aging. Despite all the advancements in medicine, aging is a natural process we can't stop. Despite all the advancements in medicine, aging is a natural process we can't stop. Our cells have a limit to how many times they can divide. Our cells have a limit to how many times they can divide. This is called the Hayflick limit, named after the scientist who discovered it. This is called the Hayflick limit. It's a fundamental aspect of cellular biology that we can't change. So for now, immortality remains a science fiction dream. But who knows what the future holds. But hey, don't let these limitations get you down. They are part of what makes us human. Embrace what your body can do and push your own limits within those boundaries. Celebrate your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Marvel at the incredible machine that is the human body. It's capable of amazing things even within its limits. And if you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Your support helps us bring you more interesting topics. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious. There's always more to learn and discover. Catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge.